So where are you going?
I'll probably just here, do a quick little wrap around.
Right. I didn't come out sleep for a while, bro.
Bro, you're telling me.
Tim's a very trusting man. Yeah, you like really.
I mean, I don't know how, okay, I don't know how to not be aggressive, right? That's all. Hey, listen. That's why, again, like I said, I'm not going to sit here and lie.
No wonder he don't talk about us when we drive, man. For real.
Bro, listen, I know I'm an aggressive driver. I ain't gonna sit here and lie. I know I'm an aggressive driver. That's why I don't like.
No, bro.
Listen, can I listen?
Hey,
you listen?
you
You listen?
need an actual, like,
listen, because this no. But
truck.
listen, this is why. But listen, this is why I don't like driving other people's cars, bro. Because I know I'm an aggressive driver.
How the hell did Tim encourage you to do this?
Yeah, we're in a flat place.
Yeah, you are in the middle of nowhere.
So that was 2021. That is the last time I ever drove a car. I was in the middle of a road trip coming back from Yosemite, drifting a Tesla. Last time I ever drove a car. Until today. Shout out to my boy Jayon, because he didn't have to let me drive his car. He could have been like, no, I'd have been like, cool, whatever. He said, bro, you trying to get your license? I got you. I'm gonna pull up on you late at night. We're gonna go cruise around. Let's lock in, gang. And I said, all right, bet. And if you would have saw the start, because we weren't recording, this was not planned to be a video at all. If you would have saw the start, you would have been like, damn, what the hell happened? We had ambulances flying by, last minute pedestrians running across the street. I was a little flustered. But then, you know, we peeled out, we got the hang of it. I'm excited for y'all to see this. Again, this is the first time I've been behind the wheel of a car in 5 years. Again, this is not my car, it's my boy John's car. I just wanna make that abundantly clear. I did not buy a car yet. But no, yeah, this is me behind the wheel in the big 2026. We're about to get our driver's license. That was recorded May 29th from like 10 to like midnight. The goal is to have our license by the end of May. This is me behind the wheel. If you want to see more of this like driving documented series, I don't know, I didn't have a plan on making it a series. It might become a series, who knows. If you want to see me behind the wheel, leave a comment. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. This your boy behind the wheel, driving big 2026.
Yeah, actually they're not. They're a little loose. You want to do left to that yellow line. Yep. Yep. Take your time. Yep. Great. Straighten it out. Just go straight. Lost the curve on this side. Yep. 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 Just stay. Yep. Yep. Perfect. Yep.
Going straight is not the issue. I actually gotta do this turning, because turning on this, the turn, when I'm on my bike, it's so different because
Yeah, you lean.
I'm so, yes, and this,
It's more
I
of a
gotta
lean.
make sure I got space to turn.
Yeah,
And then
watch the car. Yeah. Here's 11, so you just slowly. No, you gotta go up a little bit more.
I know, I'm just about to turn.
Okay. You check your mirror? Because that's a biker you just hit just now.
Very true.
Like, so right here, it's a big ass dip. So just slow.
I got you.
Like these slow, like,
I'm a E.
like these slowest shit you can do in your life.
I'm not even gonna get the fucking gas.
On both of these motherfuckers. Right here.
There's one away.
Yeah, the one right here, and then the one across the street.
It's because, you know, listen, I know these streets like the back of my hands, but when I'm on the bike, I'm not even thinking about dips, nothing like that.
Nah, you don't got a low car.
Yeah.
The car low. That was perfect. This is exactly how it goes.
I don't know, Jay. I feel like I be seeing you do some crazy shit. I'm trying to get into the Jayon shit, you know? Today. And then we're going to the right. Because that's a dead end. I know that's a dead end. And I know these streets.
Just hand in hand, like 2 turns, 2 clicks. Yep. Baby taps. There you go.
Straightened out.
It's a press, not a push, okay?
turn, get in the left hand lane because you're gonna turn left. Yeah. Stop right here. So you want to be on stop signs, and when you in an intersection, you want to stop behind that line always.
Yep. And then he's coming straight, so he has the right of way, right?
Yeah, he's coming straight. So you're gonna just inch out a little bit. He might even fucking fuck up and turn left.
I don't
Who knows?
know.
It's cool. It's cool. Just inch out a little bit, turn left. You're not doing that. Yeah, good job. It's alright. It's a smooth turn. Everything's smooth. Everything's water. I know. It's cool. What you do is you press on it like for 2 seconds, and then you let it cruise. So most of the time you're gonna be letting the car cruise.
I do need to adjust that mirror on my right just a little bit.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is once we get past this light, when you feel comfortable, put your blinker on, and then just pull over to the curb without hitting the curb.
I gotta put my head back a little bit to see it.
I would put my blinker on, and then slow down.
We got niggas like that.
No, you good. Just pull up right here.
On the far lane.
Easy on out. Yeah, there you go. Perfecto.
And then we passed Kobe's block. Do we want to go to Kobe's house or
We passed Kobe's block?
Yeah,
We sure
stay
did.
on Broadway.
I stay on Sunset, I thought. Off of Sunset. You can turn right at any point.
I'm gonna turn right up here at Ross. Broadway. There's California on this side. It's Broadway. Up there.
You do whatever you want. There's no other people behind you.
It's the curve. Yeah, there we go. I'm pretty sure there are speed bumps in here. Yes, it is. But we gotta be careful with those.
15 miles. You don't gotta stop. You just gotta go 15 miles. Like around 15.
Yeah, it's not my car. Listen, yeah, if you listen, I say this all the time. I don't like borrowing people's shit. Period. Because, no, for real. Because I don't like replacing things, especially like expensive things. Like I don't have the money for.
Yeah.
So like in a car, like I remember when I got my camera shit and I was trying to put the lens on. Nathan's like, bro, why you being so fucking? He's like, why you being so gentle? I'm like, nigga, cause I fucked this shit up, nigga. I ain't got the money to replace it. Boop. Make sure ain't nobody there. 1, 2. Check up. Always check, and then I'm starting to check that mirror hole.
Oh, this one?
No, not that one. I can't see shit on that one. That shit lost calls. Yo, tit too dark back there, just shoot.
True. Sorry.
Nah, no, listen, it's whatever you like, you know what I'm saying? If you get put over, I got a condition, you know, my eyes, can't let that much light in. And then at night, you know, I don't even know how you try to get out a ticket like that. I don't know. That nigga jail. First Street, that nigga put me up with Santa Monica, nigga. I'm still mad at you about that. Ain't no way you did that to me. Got sirens and niggas crossing and shit. I was trying to do this, you know, cruise to a nice little neighborhood.
Bro.
Maybe meet a breezy, you know what I'm saying? Look at me now, I'm driving, bitch. But no, this nigga Jay, I said, we going down Santa Monica. What you mean?
Santa Monica's not even that busy at this time of night.
Man, Santa Monica and Lincoln are wild, and you was just about to do that.
I mean, y'all learn something. Like,
I ain't gonna lie. So we parked it. We didn't record it. Like that's on me. I didn't say anything. But this is my first parking job. I wanted to park next to something, but like not be like boxed in. I think this ain't too shabby for a first time parking garage. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. That ain't too bad. It definitely can be straighter. But that ain't too bad for a first time parking job right there. I wish I would have got it like a little bit. I could have straightened it out, but I'll take it. I've never drove on a freeway, and I know I'm not a good parker. So for this, like, first time 5 years, I'll take this. This is a successful parking job. That's all I'm saying. Just be on the lookout. I'm super proud of it. Hey, I appreciate you. Hey, listen, about to have me with it.
Look who his first passenger is, everybody.
hey, we're gonna get.
And my car look good.
So we're gonna pull up straight, right? Yeah. And then turn. Turn. Yeah. Now stop. Now back it. You're gonna have to make a sharp turn. So all the way to the right. Yeah. All the way to the right. Now you wanna check slow. Just let it roll back. It'll roll back on its own. Take your time. Check your mirrors. You want to check the side mirrors, yeah. Just take your foot off the brake and let it roll. Okay, give it a little gas, like a little tap. There you go. You good. Now just let it roll. Check your mirrors for the lines. Now those 2 lines on the camera, that's going to give you your lines on the floor. You want to line those up with the white lines. That's a good decision. Way to move up. Okay. That's a great decision. Good job. Yeah, there you go. Watch your right side. Yep. Little gas. Yep. Good job. Gotta go all the way in.
Hey, that's how you fucking fuck with the car? Hey, I ain't gonna. Hey, I am proud of that one. I'm proud of that one. Hey, we about to be driving everywhere, bro. I ain't driving. Remember, I'm still going my license. I still ain't driving. That's why I waited to be the last one. Because I didn't want to drive on all the road trips. I got to just sleep, chill, be the funny dude. I didn't have to do 0 driving. And I still ain't doing no driving.